See us in our dreams, I'm outside.
Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and today is a very special day because it is my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. So 1 year ago today, I posted my first YouTube video. So I thought as a special treat, I would vlog my day. I'm gonna go make my green smoothie because that's how I start out most days now. And then I'll bring you guys along for my day. All right, first business of order. Much better. Good morning.
Morning.
All right, here she is in all of her glory. If you follow my fitness account, you know I'm obsessed with this lately. We got frozen mango. We got lots of spinach, little chunky cucumber. There's half a frozen banana in there, and then a bunch of water. And let me tell you, she is good.
Warm pizza up in the air fryer.
That is good.
How to warm pizza up in the air fryer.
Jordan is making us eggs and we're going to have our leftover pizza. Can you smile for the camera? And I'm chilling on my chair in the corner of the kitchen. This is where I hang usually. And then he's over there in the kitchen. We got a little egg action going on. And we're heating up the pizza in the air fryer. Also, since we're in lockdown, pretty much the only thing we can do is go to the park. So that's probably what we're gonna be doing. And we're gonna try to get out early because it's supposed to rain later this afternoon. So we're hoping to catch this sunshine while it lasts.
Into each other, couldn't pull myself away, and I know love is blind, so reputation didn't matter. It doesn't matter, does it, babe? But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave me behind.
Okay, we're getting ready to go to the park, so I thought I'd do a little OOTD. So my sports bra is from Joe Fresh. I did a Joe Fresh haul last video. And then I have my shorts from Lululemon, my sweater from Walmart, my hat is from Mark's Work Warehouse, and then I have these sneakers are from Nike, and my socks are Tommy Hilfiger. Pretty warm, I have to really.
Oh yeah. Full day.
Almost forgot the most important part of my morning, and that is coffee on the deck. Oh, that's good. Oh, Jordan, come here. Babe, come look at the dog. The sun is working really hard to find its way to the clouds. And you know, I really appreciate that because it's supposed to rain later.
Me?
Yeah.
Adidas, Nike, Walmart, Under Armour. Shoes are from Nike. Underwear is Under Armour. Watch is Fitbit. We're ready to go.
Anything to say for the vlog?
Just gotta go up the stairs.
Ugh, guys, these stairs are going to kill. We were trying to avoid them, but then we accidentally took the way that we gotta take the stairs, so rest in peace. Okay, we're approaching the stairs. I'm not ready for this, but Guess we're just gonna have to do it. All right, they're there. We got a first set, and then there's a second set. And people are actually doing the workout on the stairs. That tells you anything.
Run away together, go
We're on the
live
second
by the
leg.
sea. Yeah. I know a place and it's pretty far away where we could leave tomorrow. Maybe there by Saturday. Well, it is pretty simple, but that is all we need. We would have each other and live off the coconut seed. I know you love the ocean and you love the sun. We could take our clothes off and have some fun, and we'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand.
Bye. Had a really good time at the park. It was really nice to enjoy the sunshine, socialize with some friends we haven't seen in a while, need some food.
What are we gonna have for lunch? It's like a paper sandwich. Chips.
Maybe a grilled cheese. Okay, we just got home from the park and I'm gonna make myself a delicious iced lemon water. So the recipe is ice, water, and then some lemon. I got my iced lemon water. Can't wait to get our vaccines. Oh, the cool air from the freezer feels nice. I got a little sunburn. We're also having a little carrot and hummus snack. Try some hummus.
Milk jam.
I'm sunburned.
Right? So they have the 20 pound in stock.
Can you buy them online and pick them up? Okay, why don't you buy a 15 or 20?
They don't have the 15s. Do you want to pay for it? And then
Yeah, I can put it on my visa. Using me for my money. I like this shot that we have here, like
We'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. Yeah. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin.
I just took my second shower of the day because I got really sweaty and like sunburned at the park. So I feel really good. The first time I didn't wash my hair. This time I did. I'm just putting some Moroccan oil in. Anyone else use this stuff? I'm obsessed with it. The best part about it is the smell. I would honestly just buy a perfume of theirs if they have it. I should check to see if they do. Just getting that through. And normally I would blow dry my hair to get some volume in it, but my blow dryer broke a couple weeks ago. I haven't replaced it yet, so I'm just gonna brush it right now. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, it helps with detangling, and it's also supposed to be like really shiny. Honestly, the smell is just... This is actually one product that I cannot live without now. Love. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Sobeys right now. We're about to cook supper, and we need tomato paste. Oh, it feels so nice to get all cleaned up after being out in the sun and sweating. So yeah, we're having something that's called one pot pasta, and it's so good. I'll show you guys some of it later. And then I think Denny and James might come over to watch some hockey with us later. I'm watching the Oilers. They're playing their third playoff game right now, and they're down 2-0. So not looking great, but I feel like maybe it's time for them to get a win. Okay, let's go to Sobeys. Let's go shopping. Something I haven't done in a while with you guys is a car vlog. And oh no, it's actually raining and I didn't wear my raincoat. That is some bullshit. I might have to go back. Oh my gosh. I feel like such an idiot for not bringing my raincoat. Like, that was pretty dumb, I will say. And I just washed my hair. Ugh. Not really sure if I can do this or not with a raincoat. Okay, I made it. Got my groceries and I'm gonna head home now and have some delicious supper. I cannot wait. I'm gonna leave the door open.
I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not.
Oh my god, you guys. This is the best one pot pasta that Jordan's made to date.
9.5 out of 10.
Okay, everyone say hi to the vlog.
When I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies. When I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason.
So I forgot to kind of close out the video last night because we were having a lot of fun with Jenny and James. But if you guys did like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this a thumbs up, and comment down below if you guys like my vlog style videos and if you want to see more of this. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.